Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to screenshot a snap without them knowing. The first thing that we need to do is go to the Snapchat app on your phone and go to the chat history or chat conversation. And now, we're gonna view a snap. Notice the three dots on the top right corner of your screen. Click on that. It should show you an option to remix snap. Tap on it. Now you'll have a chance to interact with the snap, but make sure that the camera is not face at you and click to snap. Now here, if you do not see the save button, don't panic. You just need to back it up and click screenshot. Now, when you go back to your conversation, when you abandon it, it will not say that you screenshotted the snap. It says here, you replayed the snap, you screen recorded, I did screen record it, you remix a snap, but it doesn't say that you screenshotted it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!